my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how I install my frontal. Subscribe if you haven't, share and give this video a big thumbs up. Here's the hair I'm using for this video. We'll leave all the details in the description box below, including the link to where you can purchase it. Sent to me through DHL, beautiful packaging. Hair is from Afsisiter's hair. Just unboxing it with you guys.
Yeah.
Bundles deep wave hair with pre-plucked natural hairline lace frontal. The hair is really soft, lightweight, and the waves are neatly sewn. Here I'm just showing you guys the full view of the hair. The hair is coiled to the tip. First, we'll just quickly bleach the knot of the lace frontal, but not so much. We'll wash almost immediately. I apply the bleach. Placing the wig cap on the mannequin head using T-pins, then start stitching the lace frontal first before the weft. This is not a full video on how to make a frontal wig cap. We'll leave the link to a detailed frontal wig cap tutorial in the description box because you guys have seen me do this countless times, so I'm not going to be showing you guys all that. After stitching the frontal, we just go ahead to stitch the wefts, and I'm using all 3 bundles on the wig cap. Previous video on how to make a frontal wig, most of you requested for me to do a video on how I plug my frontal, so here it is. The thing I do is to separate the frontal into 4 different parts while the wig cap is on the mannequin head. Take the front part by the side and then a tail comb to part out the baby hairs, and then start plugging the inside first. I always start by plugging very close to the baby hair lines before the baby hairs. Use the density or the quantity close to the front part, and so that when I wear the wig cap it will look totally natural. Baby hairs will just plug in a zigzag way so that it will also look natural in front. As I'm plugging, I'm spraying with water because water makes it very easy for me to plug.
Yeah.
I'm done, we'll just comb it all back using a small comb to comb it all back, and then use a clip to clip it down in place, then do the same to the other 3 sections. just applying styling mousse to the front part of the frontal. Before I apply the styling mousse, we just give it a good shake and then press it out and apply on the frontal hair. Applying the styling mousse, I'm just using a tail comb to comb it backwards, then use a clip to clip it down and allow it to air dry a bit. Installation, I'm doing the stocking scalp method, and all I did is just to braid my hair into 8 to 10 cornrows and then wear the stocking scalp on top of the braids. I'm just applying the shade of my powder onto the cap because the stocking scalp is a shade darker than my skin tone. Then I'm taking Got2b spray and I'm spraying like the edges where my hairline stop, and then we'll just take my fingers to spread the product where I want the wig cap to be and allow it to dry, and I'm using mini hand dryer on a very low heat to dry it up. Once it's dry, I'm taking my mini scissors to cut off the excess stocking scalp. First we'll start with the ears just to release it from the sides, and then we'll now start cutting it from the center of my forehead down to my ear sides. After doing it on this side, we'll do the same on the other side of my ears. I'm just going to place the wig cap on my head and I'm just trying to position it where I want it to be. Then take a tail comb to separate out the excess above my ears and then use a clip to hold the rest part of the head down before using my mini scissors to cut that part of the ears on my frontal so that the frontal will lay very well on my ears. We'll still go ahead to do the same on the other part of my ear. Then once I finish that, we'll just go ahead to cut off the excess lace in front of my head, starting from the center of the forehead. That's my forehead, just so that I won't make any mistakes. Now I'm just moving the wig backwards so that I can apply the glue, and the glue I'm using is Got2b glue. We'll apply the glue on the cap. The essence of the stocking scalp is just to protect my hairlines, that's my baby hairs. Applying the glue, I'm just using my mini hand dryer to dry it on a low heat until it gets tacky, using my fingers to check it if it's tacky yet, and if it's not, we'll just continue drying until when it gets tacky. So I'm just taking my time to apply the lace gently on my head, just where I apply the glue, and as I'm placing it, I'm adding a little pressure and then pressing it down, and after that, after placing it, we'll just go ahead to use mini dryer to dry it first on a low heat. my 85% alcohol by Hega and Esther to clean off all the excess glue in front of my head, and I'm doing it very, very carefully, and I'm avoiding the frontal part as much as I can. Just tying it afterwards so I can go ahead to do my makeup off camera and take selfies.
Yeah.
Done with my makeup, face beat of life, just packing the hair, styling it in the way I want it to be. I'm doing the half up, half down, applying styling mousse so that it can lay very, very flat. So now I'm just adding little baby hairs in front of it, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful and hope you're able to learn something from this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. I don't even know what you're waiting for. Leave a comment on what you want to see up next on this channel and share to friends and family. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Baba, 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 Baba. Shabby, you want to bang that banger? Baba, oh,